Well, today the corn's coming off. I didn't get to walk through this on my previous video because my phone died. So this is a little half-acre patch in front of my house. He's been in here most of the day harvesting this. I think I was at work. And Tuesday I usually work the latest. Definitely got that combine set up right. Don't see much corn out here. Just a lot of chewed up cobs. He's got a chopper. The combine is a John Deere 9500 with a 6-row head. I think this field's going to be a pasture. I don't know what he's gotten off or how good it is as far as cropland. Not very big. It's kind of difficult to maneuver a combine up here, especially one of his size. So, got to finish the fence along the property line too. But we will keep you updated. And one of the chickens is missing, so hopefully it didn't get eaten by the combine. Getting her done.